How do I disable Incognito Mode on my Android or iOS device to view browsing history?
Hello there. Today we are going to talk about how to disable Incognito Mode on your Android or iOS device so you can view your browsing history. This is a simple process that will give you greater control over your browser settings.
What is Incognito Mode?
Incognito Mode is a feature in most browsers that prevents your browsing history from being stored. When you use Incognito Mode, your browsing history, cookies, site data, and input information are not saved on your device after you close all of your Incognito tabs.
Disabling Incognito Mode on Android.
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there is no direct way to disable Incognito Mode on Android. The Incognito Mode feature is built into the Google Chrome browser, and Google doesn't provide an option to disable it. However, you can avoid using Incognito Mode by simply not opening any new Incognito tabs. If you want to keep track of browsing history, ensure that you are browsing in a normal Chrome tab, not in Incognito Mode. The icon for Incognito Mode is a little spy in the corner, so if you see this, you know you're in Incognito Mode.
Disabling Incognito Mode on iOS.
Similarly to Android, there is no direct method to disable Incognito Mode in iOS as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. However, you can disable private browsing, which is the equivalent of Incognito Mode on Safari, through the Screen Time feature in iOS settings. Here's how. 1. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Tap on Screen Time. 3. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. 4. If not enabled, toggle on the Content and Privacy Restrictions. 5. Tap on Content Restrictions. 6. Tap on Web Content. 7. Choose Unrestricted Access, limit adult websites, or allowed websites only according to your preference. Selecting any of these options will disable private browsing. That's it. Although you cannot directly disable Incognito Mode on your Android or iOS devices, you can avoid using it and limit private browsing, respectively. This will ensure that your browsing history is saved and can be reviewed later. Remember to use these settings responsibly and be aware that your browsing history could potentially be viewed by others who have access to your device. Happy browsing!